Hey, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get hundreds and even thousands of YouTube subscribers every single week. This method is absolutely free. This is perfect if you are a brand new YouTuber, you haven't even released a video yet, or if you're just struggling to get subscribers. Guys, this method is amazing. I used this when I first started my channel. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Promise you, this is no fake bots. This is no fake views. This is actually real people that are going to subscribe to you that actually want to watch your content. So I'm excited to bring this video to you guys. So first of all, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to drive traffic, how to start your affiliate marketing business, and of course, how to grow on YouTube in order to grow your affiliate marketing business as well. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate the support, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, guys, so I want to show you real quick. When I first used this method right here, you can see that I had a huge spike in subscribers, okay? And I don't do this method anymore because it does require some time, but I promise you this method works amazing, okay? So, but you can see here, this was back when I didn't even have this channel. This is when I had started my gaming channel back in the day. This is back in 2018, and this works for any niche or however you want to call it, but this method, it works for anything, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, okay? So what we're going to do, the main strategy is to get in front of thousands and thousands of eyeballs, okay? Because I know when you first start out with YouTube, I think the biggest struggle is getting subscribers, right? Getting people to actually watch your content. You may have the best content in the world, but if you don't have people going to your videos, to your channel, it doesn't matter. Like, you're not going to grow, right? So I know a lot of people kind of struggle with that in the beginning in growing their channel and growing their following, growing their brand. So this method gives you a huge boost. And you know, if you haven't even started a channel yet, guys, YouTube is so powerful. I have made thousands of dollars before I even hit 1,000 subscribers, because YouTube is just so powerful. You can target, you know, the exact audience you want to target. And you know, if you haven't started a channel yet, I highly recommend that you do. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the actual strategy. So step one, guys, is to actually subscribe to at least 10 YouTube channels that are in your niche. Okay, so for example, my niche is, you know, business, how to make money online, online marketing, stuff like that. So for me, if I were to do this over again, I would go to channels like Dan Lok, right, or Gary Vee, or Russell Brunson, or something like that, okay? These guys are in my niche, okay? So, but here's the thing, okay? You have to find a channel that has thousands and thousands of views, like in the first couple days, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly why. But for example here, you know, here's one here. So what you wanna do is subscribe to all these guys, so at least 10 people. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. And then you're gonna hit the notification bell. You have to hit the notification bell for this to work, okay? And the goal is to get a comment on their video that ranks at the top, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how I do this and how you can, you know, get a bunch of subscribers to your channel, okay? So, you know, first thing you do is subscribe to a ton of people, okay? So, you know, for me, Dan Lok, and then there's like Gary Vee, you know, especially Gary Vee. He gets tons of views in the first like hour, and that's the goal. If they have a ton of views in the first like hour to 10 hours, that's where we want to be, okay? So you can see here, this one here, 173,000 views in 6 days, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. So go to the, so once you hit the notification bell, you're gonna wait for them to post a video, okay? So you want to be the first to comment on their video, or at least very quickly, okay? And you want to have a comment ready, and this is what we're gonna say. So let's see here, I have one. So right here, for example, okay? So you're going to say something of this nature, okay? So, hey, Dan, you have the best business content on YouTube. I have taken all his advice and jumped out of my comfort zone, and now I'm ready to make my first million in 2020. I will be documenting my progress, and I would love some feedback and support. Hit subscribe and take a look, okay? So the goal here is to first, you wanna give credit to the creator, right? So you don't want to just say, hey, subscribe to my channel, but you want to give credit to the creator. You want to say, you want to talk about how they've helped you in your journey and how you're now going to take their advice and, you know, pretty much document the journey, obviously going back to your channel, right? Now, you can kind of structure this however you want, but you definitely don't want to just say, hey, subscribe to my channel. People are not going to look at your stuff, okay? But here's the thing, okay? So when they first post the video, okay, the goal is to get to the top, okay? So for example, if I were to do this on Gary Vee's channel, okay? So if we go back here Gary Vee, let me see here. You can see that this guy here, okay, his comment is at the top, okay? So this one right here, he's getting 400 likes and then, you know, a ton of replies, okay? And even Gary Vee loved it, okay, which is even better. If you can get someone to love your comment, the creator, then your stuff's going to be at the top, okay? Now, the goal is to get people to click through to your channel on here, okay? And I'm going to show you how to get to the top here in a little bit. But same thing here, okay? So if I were to do it for Gary Vee, you know, I would do, hey, Gary, something of that nature. Obviously, make it custom to what you're trying to do. You know, you can do this in fitness or gaming, whatever it is, okay? So, hey, Gary, you have the best, you know, social media content on YouTube, blah, 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 okay? Something of that nature, okay? And you want to give a ton of value. I mean, you want to even give some value as well, okay? So I'll be documenting my progress, and I'm going to be, you know, utilizing your tips and something like that, okay? So this is kind of something I wrote up real quick, but this is what I do, okay? This is what I used to do. Like I said, I don't do this anymore because it takes time, okay? And I don't have the time to do this anymore. But when you're first starting out, guys, this is a great way to boost your channel, okay? But what you do is you go ahead and comment. And right when you comment, okay, this is what you do. You make a ton of Gmail accounts, a ton of YouTube accounts, and you go and like your own comment and you comment on it, okay? What that does is it boosts that comment to the top, okay? So, you know, for example, if I were to comment this, okay, so now my comment is there. Obviously, it doesn't really work if the video, like, after 5 minutes, I wouldn't even waste my time on it because there's tons of people commenting, okay? But you can see here, for example, if this just posted, I would have, you know, text ready, you know, for each creator, you know, paste it in, and then there we go. So you would like your own comment, and then what I do now is, you know, you have a ton of different channels here that you're going to want to create, okay? They can be just other channels, you know, just kind of fake channels, right? So what you do is just switch account, and then, you know, you can pick any of your accounts here. I do have a ton of accounts here somewhere. I have, okay, I'm not, yeah, I don't know, but they're in there somewhere. I have a ton of Gmail accounts, but basically now what you do is like your own comment, and you're going to comment it on all your accounts, okay? You want to do this as fast as you can. The reason you do this is because now your, sorry about that. Now your comment is at the top, and especially for like a big video that it can go viral, you're going to get a ton of eyeballs on your channel, guys, and that's what you want, especially in the beginning. Like, what's crazy is I did this method for, you know, back when I had a gaming channel. It was a Fortnite channel, and I did this on all these like super big Fortnite channels, okay? And people, I mean, I was getting thousands and thousands of views and thousands of I would say hundreds of subscribers a day. I think my best week was like 1,500 YouTube subscribers when I had that old channel. So I will tell you, it does take work because you do have to be ready when the channel posts the video, but that's why you want to subscribe to a ton of channels. Like, I would say 10, but you know, I think I did like 30 like Fortnite channels when I was doing the gaming. But yeah, so basically you do that, guys, and then it's important that you have to like this and comment on other channels. So I would say at least 5 to 10, as many comments as you can, and get that comment boosted to the top, the main comment, okay? This is the main one right here, because now people are going to click through. They're hopefully going to subscribe, and obviously, if you're subscribing to channels in your niche, then that's the type of people you want watching your videos. You don't want just random people, right? So just don't go to random channels and do this. But this totally works, guys. I promise you. I've done it before. Like I said, I don't do it anymore because it takes some time. But I know in the beginning you have more time than money, most people. So if you have the time, you have to work. And this, guys, this is a great algorithm hack because, like I said, we're hacking our comment to the top, and then we're gonna get a ton of eyeballs to that comment. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. I hope that this video was of value to you, because I know it's hard to grow on YouTube, especially in the beginning. Like, I totally understand that. I mean, I've only had my channel for, you can see here, I started this channel back in May 2019. You can see the growth on my channel. I've already passed over 1 million impressions. I passed over 100,000 views, and the channel's growing, guys. I'm excited because, you know, my channel's growing, and I want to help you guys grow as a small YouTuber, because I know a lot of, you know, there's these huge YouTubers that, you know, have all this advice, right? But, you know, they've had their they grew their channel back when it was the old algorithm. So I want to teach you the new way to do it. You know, obviously I'm not like a huge YouTuber where I have, 100,000, million subscribers, but you can see the progress of my channel here. So, a lot of people might say, well, I don't want to take your advice because you only have 4,000 subscribers. So that's okay. I understand that. But just know that I am growing. You can see this here. So, take it from me. I do know how to grow a channel from beginning to end. I've helped, I have one-on-one clients that I'm helping them grow their channel. So I definitely know how to grow a channel. Okay. This is just kind of one hack that I used in the beginning to grow a channel. And this is something that if you have some extra time, definitely recommend it. So anyways, guys, I hope this video, like I said, was of value to you. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be coming out with a ton of content, especially, with affiliate marketing, how to grow your online business, and of course, how to grow on YouTube, because it's important that one of the main strategies that I teach is how to grow on YouTube. That way you can grow your online affiliate marketing business. A lot of people may want to just grow a YouTube, but they don't know how to monetize their YouTube channel. They don't know how to properly monetize it. So, I teach people how to actually make money with YouTube. I mean, I've talked to creators that, have 100,000 subscribers, and they don't even know how to monetize it correctly besides like Google AdSense, which is not the best way to do it. So I teach people how to monetize a channel. Like I said, I was making 10K per month before I even hit 1,000 subscribers. That's very powerful because I knew how to monetize my channel correctly. So if you guys want to learn that, that's going to be the first link in the description below, and it's going to take you through a business challenge on how to monetize your channel, to start making money online before you're even YouTube monetized. And like I said, you don't even need a ton of subscribers to do that, guys. That's the first link in the description. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless.